Once the harness straps have been adjusted to fit your child, you'll be ready to install the head support for your infant thingy. Your head support has attachment tabs at the top of it. Make sure that you've positioned these tabs so that they're facing up. They're attached by elastic, so you will need to stretch out a little bit as you route them through. Select at least 3 sets of slots above the slots where the harness straps are positioned through. If needed, you may insert the tabs a 4th set of slots above in order to keep your child's head contained. You can continue to use the head support of the infant thingy as long as the top of your child's head does not go above the top of the head support, as long as the attachment tabs are through a set of harness slots. Once the head support attachment tabs are routed through the harness slots at least 3 sets of slots above where the harness straps are located, check to make sure that the tabs are flat at the back.